Esteemed delegates, AMR poses a critical threat to global public health, undermining the advances made in the field of modern medicine. Effective and urgent AMR containment requires its integration into all health programs addressing pandemic preparedness, health system strengthening, and universal health coverage, with focus of resource utilization more on prevention and mitigation than surveillance. Chair, since April 2017, India has made significant progress under the National Action Plan on AMR. National and state-level networks monitoring AMR in the country promote the use of data locally to guide antibiotic use. Indian Network of Fisheries and Animal Antimicrobial Resistance released their first report in March 2024. Infection prevention and control has been strengthened in the country through rigorous trainings of the healthcare workers, and national IPC curriculum has been developed to standardize trainings. Under Clean India Mission, a flagship program of our Prime Minister, sanitation, hygiene and infection control has been strengthened in healthcare facilities. A nationwide systematic and standardized surveillance of healthcare-associated infections, HAI, has been initiated in the country. Regulations are in place to ensure prescription-based sales of antimicrobials. To promote judicious use of antimicrobials, national treatment guidelines are updated on a regular basis. India has developed antimicrobial stewardship program for resource-limited settings that is being adapted by many hospitals across the country and can also be used by the other LMICs. In the livestock sector, antibiotic residue limits for food items are being strictly enforced. National research agencies are promoting development of indigenous point-of-care diagnostics and their introduction into the healthcare systems. Chair, based on the challenges faced in the implementation of the National Action Plan on AMR, including the limited participation by non-human health sectors, the updated National Action Plan on AMR has a whole-of-government approach with budgeted action plans for each sector, strong intersectoral coordination mechanisms, and a comprehensive monitoring and evaluation framework. Intersectoral collaboration and coordination will be implemented through One Health framework in the country. In addition to innovations, operational research is prioritized to find solutions to reduce the impact of AMR on the environment. Chair, India appreciates the efforts made by the member states to bring out this high-level political declaration on AMR and is committed to AMR containment through sectoral and intersectoral efforts. Thank you.